Getting car loans with bad credit is not the major challenge that is commonly believed, but there are some crucial factors that need to be considered before setting about to get one. Low credit scores do no favors to the cause, but there are lending companies that are willing to overlook such things. The fact that a credit score no longer gives accurate assessments of which borrowers are trustworthy and which are not means that lenders have few qualms about ignoring them. Finding and applying to one of these lenders is the surest way of securing loan approval, and often at quite affordable terms. But how can this be the case? How can a bad credit borrower expect to secure an affordable car loan, and what use are credit scores if they are no longer taken very seriously? Why get a bad credit loan? There are numerous advantages to seeking a loan package specifically designed for the needs of bad credit borrowers. For those who have low scores, have little in the way of assets, or are suffering acute financial troubles, there are few other options to getting car loans with bad credit. The advantages are firstly, the increased chance of approval. While traditional lenders generally reject such applicants, those that do not charge higher interest rates and apply stricter lending policies than normal. So, securing loan approval is by no means an easy thing. But a car loan that is structured with a bad credit borrower in mind has a lower interest rate but a longer loan life. This ensures the lender makes their profit, but that the repayments are affordable. The basic idea is that if the repayments are low, the chances of defaulting are low too. Overlooking the credit score. It may seem strange that some lenders are willing to turn a blind eye to the credit score that an applicant has, especially when that score is very low. But even lenders are willing to accept that, in many cases, the applicant is not responsible for their low score. Granting car loans with bad credit is not actually such a major risk. True, some people are foolish with their finances, and have themselves to blame, but, with mitigating circumstances, the attitude amongst lenders is different. For example, the applicant may have been made unemployment for a period of time causing them to miss repayments or even default on loans. Highlighting the situation can help greatly in securing loan approval despite the low score. However, there are many other terms and conditions with car loans that must be addressed too. Loan terms to expect. So, what kind of terms should an applicant expect when they apply for a car loan with bad credit? Clearly, while a low credit score is not a huge influence on the application process, it still has a say on the monthly repayments. Basically, the lower the score, the higher the interest rate, and, therefore, the larger the repayments. Typically, bad credit loans are charged at higher interest rates, but the repayment term is usually longer so as to ensure the lowest possible monthly repayments sum. For example, a $10,000 loan over 3 years can cost $290 each month, but over 7 years can cost just $125. So between lower interest rates and longer repayment terms, securing loan approval is made a lot easier. In some cases, collateral is expected to seal the car loan, though this depends on the lender and the sum of money required. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.